So, my first unboxing and first impression clip. Yeah, I bought one of these Atten 858D clones from eBay. It's a hot air soldering station, and this one came for around 31 bucks, including shipping. Yeah, it's the same in US dollars. The reason I choose this offering was it was delivered from within Germany. Yeah, from Frank. Can you read it? Yeah, Frankfurt, Deutschland. So I didn't have to wait a month or so, and yeah, also I wouldn't have any hassle with the customs, you know. And yeah, second reason, they put their name on it. There are a lot of clones out there in the same price region, which don't even bother to put their brand name on it, and yeah, that doesn't really instill confidence. And the other reasons I choose that will come to yeah, when you actually unpack that. But another thing was there were yeah, two guys left feedback about this product, and well, it was not 5-star, but it was 4 stars, so reasonably well. Yeah, so without any more me bubbling around, let's try to unpack this thing. I'm sorry about the wobbling of the desk. I will do something about that soon. Well, ESD safe, we will see about that or not. Okay. It's a green project. Lead-free. Professional. The CE label seems to be genuine, at least, so the proportion seems to be right. Yeah. Let's see, where does that open? Oh, it comes with a, not too hefty, but with some operations instructions in, well, Chinese. Zero crossing soft touch temperature control. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, you can read that for yourself. Put the station carefully, put the hand handle on the holder, connect the power, install the... No. Well, English is not too bad, is it? The Rework station at luminous discharged tube display indication. Circumvolves the temperature control button to set the working temperature that you need. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, explosion diagram. If you need to exchange the heating element, if you can get a spare heating element. So, what else? Oh yeah, that's the reason I choose that one. It was visible on the product photos on eBay. It came with a separate power cord, not with a fixed power cord attached to it. That was, yeah, selling point for me. This is obviously for attaching the nozzle. More stuff. Comes with 3 different nozzles. Okay. All as described. Something else back in here. Yeah, that would be. Sorry, it's sticky. No, it's not sticky, it's attached. Okay. So, yeah. Carton. Let's get that out. And out of the way. Yeah, it's reasonably well packed. It's very good packed, right? Actually, yeah, nothing to complain about here. Should have survived shipping quite well. Have no idea where this is coming from. Do I need that? No. Here. And that's it. I mean, together. Heating element and blower are all on this piece. So, yeah. Looks reasonably well. Well, the printing is not so good, but yeah. Switches are okay. Now we have to screw a little bit backside and what the hell is that connector? So this is power and it has a fuse. See that? Yeah, fuse holder integrated into that socket, so that's good. And I know what this is. This is actually for earthing the whole thing. It should be earthed. One thing right away, that screw sits not very well. Okay. Let's change the perspective a little bit and put it together. Yeah. So yeah, let's that thing put together. It has some Phillips screws here at the side. Then I guess you need to attach that holder. Should do it the right way around. So this around. Yeah, I guess that's the only way you can do it. Yeah, fits. Yeah, this is a bit tricky doing that around the camera, but yeah, you can see what I'm doing. Second screw. I mean, okay. Not to over tighten them. Yeah. Looks okay. Now comes the first decision point for me. So you can see I get out the multimeter. This is a $10 multimeter, by the way. It's a really cheap one. I will let's straighten that out a little bit. I mean, the holder is quite okay, which is a good thing, because you don't want to worry about, with the exhaust nozzle really hot, the holder losing this thing and falling around. Oh yeah. Input, it's 220 volts, fuse 5 amps, 450 watts. That's a little bit disconcerting, because I thought specifications it says here power consumption 700 watts. So yeah, I don't know. And then on the other thing here in Europe, we have 230 volts now for quite some times, decades also. Yeah. So what I want to test is let the meter get in. If there is continuity between, sorry, to untangle my continuity between the earth pin and that pin, the ground pin, yes. So earth pin is connected, and let me try if the case is connected to the earth pin. Yeah, that's reasonable. And at last, if the nozzle is connected. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's completely earthed. Wonderful. You watching YouTube videos, you know, the usual suspects. I'm always a bit worried about the electrical safety of these thingies. And yeah, electrical safety seems to be fine. So let's connect the power. Yeah, and the power cable is really not that long. So yeah, 4 feet maybe. Well, not even 4 feet, maybe 3, a meter. Oh, this goes in here. And now we can hopefully switch it on. blinking. It's making some transformer noises. Oh, there's hot air coming out of it. Wow. Yeah, I can feel it. Let's see. I can go down to now it goes off. Okay, I set it to 100. Let's see. No, that's a bit eerie. Then it comes on again. I mean, yeah. Another part. Okay, this is a little bit disappointing. Just a little bit. I have no idea what the problem is. It seems to go on the standby mode. Let's see if we find something in the operation instructions. Will turn to the working mode while the handle is held, and the system will stand by while the handle is put on the holder. Okay, reading instructions really pays. So, how do they do that? Oh, there must be a magnet or something, maybe a reed switch. It's really okay. I don't know if you can hear that. I put it on the microphone without... Yeah, that's the noise level. Full air. And minimum air. Full air. So yeah, that's very nice. So and now let's see if I can get the temperature down. Okay. A little bit hot. To 100 degrees. Oh, did you see that? I just blocked the output a little. Huh. 100 degrees. Yeah, 100. Believable. And the nice feature, you put it into the stand, it switches off. Yeah, that's very nice. I like it. Okay, and we can go up to, well, not that I have any equipment to calibrate that thing, but so I would expect something like 400. More. Okay. 500. Catching up. Yeah, so the temperature sensor is very... Yeah, this is 500. No questions about it. Yeah, very nice. It's working. And yeah. Yeah, the noise of the blower when I put it in, when it's on full power, was a little bit overwhelming. Put it on 200 centigrade. That's centigrade, I'm pretty sure, not Fahrenheit. So it doesn't immediately switch off, but it first lets it cool further down until it goes to 100, and then it switches off. So yeah, that's nice. Okay, so I will get some heat shrink I have to shrink, and something I have to desolder, and we'll have a look at that, how this works. I like it so far. So on the datasheet it says 700 watts, and on the back, if you remember, let's switch that out just for safety, it says 450 watts, fuse 5 amps. Well, 5 amps is well about 1 kilowatt. Yeah, that's just for peak, I guess. So what's the truth? Let's switch that baby on, and yeah, I bring here in hope you can see that. Yeah, a power meter. Yeah, perfect. And no, give me a second. To have maximum throughput, I take off the nozzle so we can have the maximum airflow, and we turn the airflow here to max also. Then we switch it on and go with the temperature up to 500. Let's see. Okay. So it's drawing, yeah, switching on and off the heating element. But I think the maximum it draw was 600 watts. Yeah, peaked out at 770 watts. Okay, so yeah, I guess it can deliver 700 watts. So yeah, even if the back says something else, ooh, hot. I just love that. You put that in there and it cools down and wait for it, wait for it. Let the blower run, so to cool down the heating element, and wait for it. Just there, just there. This is still maximum, yeah, so I don't want. Yeah, and then switches off. Very nice. And in, well, standby, it draws about 4 watts, 3 watts. So yeah, great. So let's heat shrink something. Comes with 3 different nozzles and yeah, let's see. So about biggest one 9 millimeters, the medium one yeah 7 millimeters, and the smallest one, which is really small, 4 millimeters. Yeah, well, approximately. So I take the medium one, and yeah, I noticed they have little indents, and you really have to screw them on, and they fit relatively well. So that's fine too. Switch that thing on, and I have here simply solder pins soldered to some cables, so I can put them into the breadboard, and because this looks ugly, I like to put some heat shrink over it. So let's try this. 200 degrees, looks okay. It's definitely shrinking. Yeah, that works like a charm. Sorry. Because this is just hot air, you've got a grace period of time to get your fingers out of the way before you burn them. Close up here. I was doing that actually with a lighter, and I thought, okay, burnt my fingers regularly using a lighter to shrink the heat shrinking tube, but this is much nicer and the results are much better. It's cooling down because I put it on the rest, and maybe I do a tear down sometime, and look how this is working. I guess a Hall sensor, or even more primitive, a read relay, and some magnet here in the stand. I'll have a look at this at some point. Yeah, great. Now we'll try to desolder something. Yeah, that's one of the circuit boards from the power supply I teared down, and yeah, for my little soldering station, especially the stuff here where they soldered in the relay, that's a little bit too hardcore. So I will try the hot air stations to get rid of that. Maybe we should change the angle. Oh no, I think this will be okay. So yeah, we go up with the temperature. To, let's say, yeah, 400. It's a relay. Full airflow. And yeah, of course I need my trusty desoldering pump. This is a neat feature. Let's go for this first contact. Oh yeah, it's flowing. Is it flowing? Well, that's only the old flux. Okay. As you can see, that's not exactly the application. Oh yeah. I'm not so sure about that. But I think I got the solder flowing in this area. Yep. I think I mentioned before that I don't like Soldering. This would be actually a good application. Or maybe I should have tried a smaller nozzle. Yep, first bin seems to be free. Yeah, and you can see that it's sucking off the solder like there's no tomorrow. Let's try that second pin. And you also see that it already burned the circuit board. Yeah, and so on. Um, yeah, I actually like that thing. First time working with a hot air soldering station, so yeah, some rookie mistakes, too small a nozzle and too high a temperature, I guess. But yeah, the first two holes are free. So, hope you like that, and yeah, this was the Ansai 858D Atten 858D clone for 31.29 euros, at least in Germany, delivered directly from Frankfurt, Germany. So, see you next time.